You're a graphic designer, but your portfolio is sitting in a folder on your laptop? Yeah, it's time to change that. And I found a tool that might just blow your mind. Today we are testing what might be the best graphic design portfolio website builder for 2025. It's fast, it's easy, and get this, you don't need any coding skills. Here's how it works. You type in the idea, hit generate button, and boom, the AI site builder instantly creates a full portfolio website for you. You can tweak the colors, layout, text in just few clicks. Then choose an affordable plan and hit publish. Yes, your own domain name is included. Let me show you step-by-step tutorial. So when you're in the home page, select AI site builder and click on write yourself for free. Here you have to type what category your website is. So I'm gonna type graphic design. Now let's click on continue. Here you have to add a short description on what kind of a website you're looking for. Since I'm designing a graphic designing portfolio, my description will be graphic designer portfolio for graphic vibe, your brand name, and services, brand identity, logo design, social media creators. Also we can mention tone of the website. So I'm gonna put bold, modern, and finally a CTS section which says work with us. If you're not sure about it, you can also check out the examples over here, and you have to just click on generate site. And within seconds, Neospace will provide you few design options. You can select whichever design you like. You can customize each and every section. I'm gonna go with this first option. On the top, I'm gonna select edit this design, and it'll take you to the section where you have to choose a domain. If you already have a domain, you can select use a domain I own, or if you need domain, Neospace will provide few domain options. For now, I'm gonna use a domain which I already have, and it'll directly take you to the edit section. On the left, all the sections are individually divided. So if you wanna keep or maybe remove a section, we can just use this toggle button to do it. So we have the header section, intro, quick contact, about business, links, services, galleries, and etc. I want to make some changes in the header, so I'm going to just select the header. We can change the title over here if required, and also we can change the logo. I'm going to click on this change button. If you have your own logo, you can upload it, or you can find it from stock. I'm going to upload my own logo over here, and there is an option to make changes. So when I'm okay with it, I'll click on confirm. And the logo is changed. And also there is a feature where you can generate content. If you have no idea what to write over here, you can just click on this tool, generate text, and give an idea how you want it, a long form or a short form, and click generate, and the text will be generated. Also I want to change the background over here. I'm gonna select a background. It's the same way as you did for logo. Make adjustments and click on confirm. And you can see the background is changed. Also I can add my own projects over here. So I'm gonna select it and add my branding guideline project. I'm gonna make adjustments, how it's gonna look, and click on confirm. And there you go. And quickly I'll add other projects as well, logo design and social media creators. And it's done. Later on, if you need, you can change the content as well over here. A quick tip, how to make an ideal portfolio. Showcase your best work in a clean and professional way, and also make client easy to contact you with emails or numbers. Neospace links are so easy that contact form, social links, and WhatsApp integration makes it easy for clients to reach you instantly. And also the AI generate tool helps in text and content, so it sounds professional. And when we come to the design, if you're not happy with the template, we can select a new template, and there are a lot of options over here. You have to just click on use template. When we come to the colors, the palettes are already there. In just one click, the whole website will adapt the color. It saves a lot of time. Same thing works for the text as well. You just have to select the cards and the entire text will be adapted without moving anything. That is a lot of time saving tool. When you're okay with the design, click on publish and select an affordable plan. Business email is free with the site builder, or you can add a mailbox plan over here. Go to the next step and we're gonna click on continue, and we have to enter the billing details and click on continue, and then the card details, make payment. And within seconds your website will be live ready to use. When we check the domain link, this is how your website is gonna look live. You can check all the details. If you want to edit it, you can just sign in and you can see the website is live and this is our domain and we can edit it. So when we click the edit option, it will take us to the edit section and we can make the changes. And also you'll get the clear analytics on your website. And there you go, your portfolio is live, looking amazing and ready to impress. Oh, did I mention 30% off on using the link below? No excuse, get your work online and let the world see what you can do.